Hey everyone, well, oh my voice went a little bit then. Welcome to another video and welcome to our home for the next 3 nights. Look at this view that we've got here. Now we're at a campground called Campervan. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I will put a link in the description so you can check that out. And you know what, when we booked this campsite, we did it a long time before we set off on our road trip. We requested like a view of the water and everything. It wasn't guaranteed when we booked it that we'd get a view of the water, but you know what, I know we've got a view of like some of these here, but you know what, we're happy with this. So what we're going to do, we're just going to take Thor for a quick walk and then I'll tell you updated everything what we're doing.
It's warm again today. I'm so glad that we booked this campsite in advance because basically someone else in front of me have just tried to get a spot and there isn't any available, and it's a nice campsite.
So we've only just got here a couple of minutes from the campsite, quick walk, but it is all uphill. But look at that view. Ooh. Yes.
Look at that view as well.
Yeah, because we've got the water there. Now we've got all like the mountains and everything up there. Thor wants to do more exploring, so let's keep going. If you've watched us for a long time, you'll know that our little short walks that we go on, they always end up being like long walks. So we're about half an hour in and we've got we've got water and everything with us, but we're in the forest here and we just can't help ourselves, we keep going. So I don't know how far we're going to go, but you know what, this is what for us it's all about. This is why we travel, to see amazing things like this. I'm guessing in winter this is going to be like a waterfall.
Does that send
but
people that way?
I don't know. Shall we go a bit further up here and see what's up here?
I was already halfway up.
He's going for it. These guys have got the right idea over there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I'll see if I can zoom in a bit, but there's a cable car there. It's like a ski lift or whatever.
We're doing cable cars when we go to Jungfrau.
Yeah, because that's another campsite.
All that organised for then.
Yeah. Look at these views. It's amazing. What an amazing walk that was. You know, there's something about just getting out and then, like, you know, if you're in like a forest type of area that it just does so much for you, makes you feel so good. Everyone has their own struggles in life and everyone deserves to be happy. If something is preventing you from achieving your own happiness or your own personal goals, regardless if you have a mental health issue like depression or anxiety, at the end of the day, you're just the human that's trying to get by in this world. Therapy can give you the tools that you need to approach these situations in a different way. That is why I'm excited to tell you about BetterHelp. This is a paid partnership with BetterHelp. BetterHelp's mission is to make therapy accessible to all, and this is a very important mission for BetterHelp. BetterHelp is an online platform that makes it easy to find a therapist because it's remote and it's online. All you have to do is fill out a questionnaire online and then within a matter of days you get matched to the therapist that suits you. Click the first link in the description and not only will you be supporting our channel, but you'll also get 10% off your first month with BetterHelp. Finding a therapist is a little bit like dating. You might not find the exact match that suits you. The good thing is with BetterHelp, if this happens to you, you can just move on to a different therapist and it doesn't cost you any more money. If you're struggling, consider online therapy with BetterHelp. Click the first link in the description or go to www.betterhelp.com/dubventures. Thank you again to BetterHelp for supporting our channel. So we're just checking the toilet facilities out. They've got like a washing up room in there. I don't know, a lounge area, I guess. And it says here like the signs you can do, like you can actually do some cooking in there. And then you got the toilets here and everything. And Thor's making friends. So and washing machines. So everything that a campsite should have.
I can't what?
Look at the view.
Give me I'll take you in the women's shower.
Yeah, you're going in the women's, yeah. Because the men's toilets are shut, but it says...
It's only shut because he's having clean, so... Sinks, hi! Oh look, private little sinks. Hairdryer. And these are the shower rooms. Clean, nice and clean, and there's plenty of them. What's down here? Oh, and those are the toilets down there. So, toilets. And I'll give you back to Tom.
What? How'd you do that then?
Walk through the showers and into the toilets. Right, I'm actually going to go for a wee now.
In there because there's a sign there that says that the men's toilets is shut. Cleaning, please use the men's toilets. Eh? This is the men's toilets. I'm confused. Anyway. Got a bit of a games room. You know who I'm doing this to. Think might be having a go at that at some point while we're here. So there is actually a swimming pool here as well. You can just see the top of it there.
Right, I am absolutely boiling. It's hot, like high 30s, really hot. So Tom said to me, what do you want for tea? So I wanted chicken and wedges, which he's gonna make. So I said, why don't we sit outside? And he was like, yeah, I'll just make it on the thing. And I was like, no, I want table and chairs. So look, come on. Table and chairs, romantic dinner over a lovely view.
Man like any in the summer. Don't act like a bummer.
Morning everyone. Yes, peaceful night's sleep. Just gonna go take Thor for a quick walk. It's warm today, a little bit cloudy. For us that's a good thing because you know what? It is warm. So we're gonna go and see if we can take Thor down to, there's like a beach bit near the lake down there, so let's go. Few hours later, do you know what we've done today? Nothing. We've just been chilling out, relaxing. Now we've looked at the weather. There's supposed to be like a lot of rain coming, so what we're going to do now is just going to take Thor for a quick walk. So this campsite, it's on sort of like, now obviously these are statics. I don't know if these are like people that live here or anything. You know, what do you think? Maybe
Yeah,
people
possibly.
And this campsite, it's on like 3 different levels. Now if I just like show you, like we're parked here obviously, and then it goes a bit further down, but the pitches, they get smaller on each level. Now before we came here we did specifically pick a bigger pitch because, you know, we want more room. It's just more comfortable and it's better for Thor as well. You just see a boat coming in over there. But yeah, so we picked this specifically to have more room. Now, like I say,
it's the higher up level.
Yeah, and it's the higher level because obviously, you know, we wouldn't be parking on here. So what I will say is if you do come to this campsite, I would recommend do go for the bigger pitch. How much more extra was it? Do you know?
It wasn't that much more. It was probably about maybe £5.
Ah, right. Well, it's worth it just to pay for that extra bit of room because, like I said,
but
you
if
do
you've got
get
a smaller camper van, then the next one's down would be perfect size anyway.
Yeah, they would be, but then the views just aren't as good. So look how clear that water is. It's a waterfall, you know, I like a waterfall. I think we're going to see more waterfalls the further on we get on this road trip, so. We're on it now, a quick walk has turned into one of our let's go exploring, hasn't it? So. Yesterday when we was having a walk around, we like seen in here, but we were just like walking past. So this is a room at this campsite that you can use. It's nice and cool in here as well, and they've actually got cooking facilities in here as well, microwave, and like, you know, you can like use like the hobs and things. But it's a nice little touch to this. I have to say, like, you get all this for the same price as like a campsite in the UK, then that's, you know, it's worth it because, you know, not only have we got the views, we've got a big pitch and everything. Got loads of like areas where you can just sit down, chill out and everything. And
it also caters for bad weather.
Yeah, and it caters for like bad weather,
so if it's raining, you've got all of this.
Exactly. And for the same price as what you pay for a campsite in like UK, it's just crazy, isn't it? So decided, gonna cook in here because, like I say, it's really, really warm, a little bit different. So what I'm gonna do, I've brought the cooker down here. They do have hobs here, but I just prefer using gas, to be honest with you. So we're gonna get our cooker and we'll get some Mexican fajita wraps.
It's just a laid back vibe, baby.
While that's cooking, I'll just go and see how Brooke's doing. Tell Brooke that it's nearly time to do the actual wrap bit. Yeah. Oh, hello. It's nearly time to do the wrap.
Did Bridget bring scissors?
It's just a laid back vibe, baby.
Washing up. I can hear bagpipes. I have no idea where that's coming from, but I can hear bagpipes. Dad, I can hear bagpipes here. Yes. Okay guys, it wasn't exactly fajitas, but it was like a wrap thing. It's absolutely chucking it down. We need to get to the van, so. Yeah. Hey everyone. So, last night we had a lot of rain, as I showed you. And you know what, it just shows, because when we came here yesterday, there wasn't that much water, but look how much difference it makes from the water that we had from yesterday's rain. Morning everyone. I've showed it in the video so many times, but you know what? Just look at that amazing view. The boat coming in, just taking it off for a walk, Brooke's relaxing. Are you comfortable on there? Yeah?
Yeah, it's really comfortable.
Is it really comfortable? So, I think this boat's going to be coming right past us. Do I give the wave as they all come past, make a show of myself and like see if anybody waves? I'm going to do it, aren't I? Brooke knows what I'm like. I'm going to wave at everybody and see if I get any waves. So, yes, some people waved. Before we came on this road trip, we obviously did a lot of research. Now, you know, we spoke to some different people and we looked on social media, and basically what we got told was like Switzerland campsites are ridiculously overpriced. Now, like I said, we did the research, and you know, if you believe everything that you see and read on social media, then you know, you shouldn't do that. Now, the campsite that we're staying at costs, we've worked it out, it's just less than £40 per night. Now, the thing is, that £40 per night, you've seen in this video everything that you get. We're right next to this town, it's like, you know, it's an amazing like area and everything. Now, the thing is, in the UK, you can pay the same price for a campsite with no electric, and they basically say that you have to park like this, you have to do this. Campsites in the UK, like a lot of them, they're overpriced and you don't get a lot for them. So what I'm basically saying is, no, the campsites, they're not ridiculously overpriced. Now, we are staying at like more campsites, and you know, they cost like a little bit more, but you're talking what, like £5 more maybe than like the average campsite?
Yeah, and obviously we've upgraded our pictures as well.
The campsites, no, they're not ridiculously overpriced. I think they're really, really good value for money.
Yeah,
I think like what we paid for like for this campsite is like worth it. Okay. Do you agree? Do you think that they're worth it?
Yeah, definitely.
Do you think they're ridiculously overpriced?
No.
No, they're not. So don't believe everything that you read and everything that you see. We're going to Liechtenstein. Now, we're doing a wild camp in Liechtenstein. Again, you're not allowed to do that, but we are doing a wild camp in Liechtenstein. So we've got lots more to come. We're not even halfway through this European road trip yet, so we've still got, I know, we've still got so much more to do. And we're meeting up with some friends in the next video. So, you know what guys, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Thanks for watching from Switzerland. Bye for now.